Here we are in February of 2020, and of course, as usual, who has all the newest stuff? Of course, I have everything you're looking for. If you're looking for a remote starter in a Toyota or Lexus 2019, 2020, H-key, standard key, push to start, there's two versions that just popped out. The first one is going to be the THAR-1, which is made for the EVO-1, high current / low current module, the TOY12, which will do the standard key vehicles and the H-keys. Then we have the TOY13, which does the modern push to start vehicles. Here I have for display, this is an EVO in with a TOY13 T-harness. You can see everything is all 100% plug and play. Here, and over here, just with a small notification here, this is the steering lock T-harness. On certain 19s and 20s, it will require you to cut this, and we gladly supply all these little T-tab connectors. So there's 4 connectors that you're going to require for the steering wheel connector. Aside from that, 100% plug and play. Already here is pre-plumbed with the data-to-data connector for a linker, so you can add the smartphone app right in there just by turning on setting 2. Or if you're having us pre-wire for you, obviously you want to have 4 and 2 setting, so that way you can enjoy using this linker mobile. Or, as usual, we have the Crime Stopper 1 and 5 button version RF kits, or going down the line, 1 button RFK system, 4 button with 2-way LED confirmation, the old school 2-way LCD, or the new EVO kits, which are the 1 button which does lock, unlock, start, and auxiliary from a 1 button remote control. How they do all this stuff, who the heck knows, but they're doing it, and we have it. There's your 1 button. If you're looking for a standard 4 button with a 2-way LED confirmation, we have this, which is the 642W, super range. And of course you could do that, plus enjoy the benefit of having 3 lock activation from your remote start. Or on certain applications, if you wanted to have this program for lock, unlock, lock to avoid the horn honk while you're remote starting, you could do that. Optional parking light connection on these Toyotas on both scenarios. If you're going with the EVO-1, that one comes with a built-in alarm system. So depending on, again, if you're getting a custom built kit from us, or if you're doing this yourself at home, you can turn on the alarm system, basically pay for itself with a passive alarm discount at your insurance company. Of course, check with your insurance company, see what they have. But this one here, you can get the benefit of a full alarm system with this one. Aside from that, of course, all the usual suspects for an RF kit. You have them built in out the box. If you want to go with a more affordable, economical system, you could use this. You can go with that, modify it, and mix any of these combinations of kits that you see here in front of you. Just ask us, we could do it. You'd be surprised what you could do these days. So there you have it. For 2020 and a Toyota or a Lexus, there you go.